This is a song about the greatest heartbreak I have ever known. This song is called Nightingale Lane. On a street in the South London suburbs is where my first love kissed me goodbye. His lips were thin and beer-stained and tear-stained, was a pain that made me cold and all. After the oceans I cried are made of steel, just floating now. But when I drive down this road, I reminisce. I drive slow, I've let him go now. I just see a ghost town, and sometimes at red lights with closed eyes I tell myself, in fact I tell myself, to go on, just say somebody loved me once, and someday somebody will again, like the way you loved me on Nightingale Lane. And though we never made it, stranger, just show me it's true. I'm capable of loving someone the way I love you. It was right there, early June, next to Old Park Avenue. Standing in the rain, I watched him walk away. I've dabbled in love since, maybe every other summer. It never lasts long, they never stick around. I'm made of steel now. I believe someday someone will come along and knock them walls down. I knock them walls down, baby. When I drive down this road, I'm reminded that though I've let him go now, right here in this ghost town, right here on this ground is where someone once loved me, and so